Winning a big construction project often comes down to one thing: your proposal. A strong proposal doesn't just list a price. It shows professionalism, it builds trust, it helps clients feel confident choosing you over the competition. Now in this video, we're going to walk through how to create a winning proposal and share practical tips that can help you stand out and increase your chances of landing larger projects. So let's get started. Tip number one, understand the project requirements. Before you even start writing your proposal, take time to fully understand the scope of the project. Review all project documents, drawings, specifications very carefully. Pay attention to details like materials, timelines, and any special requirements listed by the client. If something isn't clear, ask questions early. Clarifying details at the beginning can prevent misunderstandings later and help you submit a more accurate proposal. A strong proposal always starts with a clear understanding of what the client expects and what the project requires. Tip number two, do a thorough site review. Whenever possible, visit the job site before submitting your bid. Seeing the site firsthand can really help you identify important details like access points, potential challenges, or safety considerations that might not be obvious from the drawings alone. And this allows you to prepare a more accurate proposal and avoid surprises later in the project. It also shows the client that you're taking the time to fully understand the job before actually submitting your bid. Tip number three, provide a clear scope of work. One of the most important parts of a winning proposal is a clearly defined scope of work. Explain exactly what your team will do, what materials will be used, and what services are included in your bid. It can also help to clarify anything that is not included, so expectations are clear from the very beginning. The clearer your scope of work, the easier it is for the client to understand the value that you're providing and compare your proposal to others. Tip number four, break down your costs. Clients appreciate transparency when reviewing proposals. Instead of providing only a single total price, consider including a breakdown of major cost categories such as labor, materials, equipment, and project phases. This helps the client see how the budget is structured and understand where their investment is going. Providing this level of detail can build confidence and make your proposal feel more professional. Tip number five, highlight your experience. Your proposal is also an opportunity to show why you're the right contractor for the job. Include examples of similar projects you've completed, along with relevant certifications, specialties, and years of experience in the industry. If possible, mention successful outcomes or satisfied clients who have trusted your work in the past. Demonstrating your experience helps clients feel confident that their project will be completed successfully. Tip number six, present a realistic timeline. Clients want to know when their project will begin and how long it'll take. Provide a realistic project schedule that outlines the major phases of the work and an estimated completion timeline. Being upfront about timelines really shows that you've thought through the project and have a clear plan in place. A well-planned schedule can also help set realistic expectations and prevent misunderstandings later. Tip number seven, address safety and compliance. Safety is a top priority on any construction project. Including information about your safety procedures, training programs, or compliance with local regulations can really strengthen your proposal. This reassures the client that the project will be handled responsibly and professionally. It also demonstrates that your company values safety for both the workers and the project site. Tip number eight, make your proposal professional and easy to read. A winning proposal should be organized, clear, and easy for the client to review. Use headings, sections, and simple formatting so important information can be found quickly. Remember that many clients review multiple proposals, so making yours easy to understand can give you an advantage. A well-structured proposal reflects the professionalism of your business. Tip number nine, address potential challenges in your proposal. A strong proposal doesn't just describe the work, it shows the client that you've actually thought ahead about the project. For example, you might explain how your team plans to handle scheduling coordination with other trades, limited site access, or potential material delivery timelines. When clients see that you've already considered possible challenges and have a plan in place, it demonstrates experience and preparation. This kind of forward thinking can really help build trust and make your proposal stand out from the competition. Tip number 10, follow up after submitting. Submitting your proposal isn't always the final step. Following up with the client shows professionalism and genuine interest in the project. It also gives you the opportunity to answer any questions or clarifying parts of your proposal. Sometimes that extra communication can make a big difference and help your proposal stand out from others. Creating a strong proposal takes preparation, organization, and attention to detail. But when done right, it can significantly improve your chances of winning larger and more profitable projects. If you're looking to grow your skills as a contractor and build your business, visit Gold Coast Schools to explore training and resources designed to help you succeed. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other contractors who are working to grow their business. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.